Blender is a generalist software, meaning you can do many things with it. But for game developers, we need a specific, optimized workflow for what we want to achieve. In this video, I will be showing you add-ons that turn that entire workflow into the work of a few clicks. LOD Gen is for automatically generating levels of detail. With just one click, you can create as many LOD versions as you need, directly in the viewport. LODs are essential for good performance in games, and they're one of the first steps in optimization. Instead of manually decimating models one by one, this tool saves you time by generating multiple simplified versions at once, ready for use in your engine. ND is a non-destructive modeling toolkit that builds on Blender's modifier and geometry nodes workflow. It's especially useful for hard surface modeling, where you often need to create complex shapes, but still keep everything editable. Because it's non-destructive, you can quickly iterate on prototypes, block out levels, and adjust models without having to start over. This makes it easier to experiment and refine your ideas as you go. When you're ready to finalize your model, you can apply all the modifiers to lock it in. On top of that, the add-on comes with a large set of operators that speed up common modeling tasks, giving you more control and flexibility while keeping the workflow efficient. Easy PBR is designed to make working with PBR materials inside Blender simpler. Normally, creating and combining PBR shaders with nodes can be powerful, but it's also time-consuming and messy. This add-on cuts down that process. You can browse the ambient CG library directly from inside Blender, download materials, and then convert them into an asset library that shows up in Blender's asset browser. That makes it quick to grab and reuse materials. It also includes tools for mixing shaders together without having to build complicated node setups yourself. You can add them as either new materials or as node groups. And if you want to finalize the result, you can bake any principled shader into PBR maps, so the material is ready to export or reuse. This add-on is meant for character rigs. Normally, animation rigs inside Blender aren't always structured in a way that works well in a game engine. When you import them, you can run into errors or unexpected issues that take extra time to clean up and fix. Game Rig Tools helps avoid those problems by creating a simplified, game-friendly rig directly from your existing control rig. It also includes action baking, so your animations can be transferred to the game rig and exported cleanly. The result is a character rig that's ready to use inside the engine without hidden errors or unpredictable behavior, saving time and reducing frustration. UCU Paint is an attempt to make texture painting in Blender layer-based. That means, similar to Photoshop, you can build textures with multiple layers, but directly on your 3D objects. Like Substance Painter, it lets you create edge masks, ambient occlusion masks, cavity masks, and non-destructive mask modifiers, giving you more control over how details are applied. It's a free and often overlooked add-on, but it makes painting in Blender much more flexible. Once your textures are ready, you can bake them down into final maps that are ready to be used in your game engine.